Friends, so welcome back to my channel. So you are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. So as you know, I am here in front of you, and my new topic is for you: is it important part of grammar or not? So seriously, to be honest, is it's a very important part of grammar, and how everything I will explain. Okay, please wait little bit. But before starting the video, I am going to share with you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. So please watch my till the end. You should watch my video till the end. Okay, so yes, as I am explaining that is it important part of grammars or not for speaking English. So according to me, because when you don't have any sportive environment, even person, you are the new, you are the beginner to improve your communication skills. So that time, according to me, it's an important part of grammar. Okay, so you should only learn that those aspects for grammars, like passive tense conditions, a little bit aspects of grammar you have to learn. Okay, and another thing, you can start speaking. Okay, and and another point in my mind is going on, like grammar, because some people say something like this, who is the actually expert at this language. Actually, grammar is not important. Why are you running behind learning the grammar? So exactly, I can understand, I can understand your situation, your point of view. Yes, grammar is not important that time, because when you have the sportive environment and lots of peoples around you, uh, those people can speak with you very well in English. So that time grammar is that time grammar is not important. Okay, so after that you can start speaking directly in English. Okay, in front of people, because you have the sportive environment and little bit knowledge, very well. Okay, related to grammars, where you have to use should, tense, passive, everything very well. Okay, so that time it's not important. But grammar is very important that time, because when you having the preparations for giving the interview, for giving the test, for giving some IELTS, you are having the preparations for IELTS. So that times, according to me, like grammar is very important. So that time you should take the part of learning of grammars, definitely, according to me. And another thing you have to use, like when you are speaking in English, you are learning English, so that time you should think only English, even if you are making the mistake. Okay, but you have to think in English directly, so definitely you will be perfect. And believe me, please don't run behind the grammar rules. And because when you are the, as I told you, when you are the learner, as a zero, from zero you decided to learn. So that time you have to learn little bit grammar portions, definitely. But after that, very well, related to some grammar rules, rule and regulations of grammar. So that time you should only speak of different type of peoples, who knows very well English. And nowadays it's a very easiest way to speak, to find a partner with whom you can speak English very well. Okay, so please, don't run behind the grammar portion, only run behind speaking in English. And don't think in your native language and Hindi, and only think in English, and definitely you will be perfect. And believe me, it has been my experience, so that's why I'm telling to you. So in the end, once again I am saying, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. So please do subscribe and like my video as well. Comment, because comment is very important, because having the comment is the very important to inspired, to being inspired. So yeah, so that's why please do the comment. So thank you, bye bye.